On selecting the Dodds Memorial's LegacE Link's Digital Memorial. We'll show you how to register, create, and publish your LegacE Link, share your LegacE Link, and how to update your LegacE Link Digital Memorial. First, visit dodds.life.view, register. Your memorial consultant will provide you with a password. This will allow you to create a user that you can use to manage your digital memorial. In this case, we're going to do a digital memorial for B.B. King, the famous blues musician, and we're doing it as his wife, Martha King. What you do is you enter your name, enter an email address and a password, and then you press Save Profile. The next step will automatically take you to the Digital Memorial Creator. There are very few things here that are required to start. You can see that there are many, many options that expand or contract on the basis of what you select, but only a few are required. The first one is the contract number. Your memorial consultant will provide you with that. This is the profile for your loved one. And in this case, you have to put in the name. You'll see a asterisk with the required information, how you would like the person's name to appear in the link that you share, a date of birth, and if appropriate, a date that the person passed away, and then one simple picture. In this case, we'll take a baby from the 1970s. And then finally, you can select a theme that you'd like, and I think for BB music would be appropriate. You save, and this will create your profile. Now, if you'd like to share your profile, you can simply click the share link, and you can see there's a QR code. This QR code will be provided to you by Dodds Memorials on a plate that can be placed on a physical memorial permanently or any place else you'd like it. There's also a permanent link that goes along with this, and if you click the link, it will actually take you to the particular profile. And you can see we did not fill very much out, but it does exist. Your memorial is now published. If you would like to edit it, let's say you would like to update, you simply click the edit button, click to edit, and let's just say we want to add a few more details here. For instance, was B.B. King married? And in this case, he was to Martha Denton. And I believe they got married sometime in 1949. Perhaps we want to add some more pictures. So we could click, put a couple of other pictures in here. And put them there. Perhaps we'd like some audio files. Again, we can click and we can add an audio file. B.B. King is famous for the song The Thrill Is Gone. And then let's just say we want to do something like honor his service. I believe that B.B. was also a member of the Army during World War II. Once we have this information there, we press update. And again, we can go and view the profile, and you can see that by clicking on the link. It is now updated from the music to the Army. You can see that we have some information here that's been added about his spouse and his service. If we go to gallery, we can see that there's some other pictures that have been uploaded. If we visit audio, we can see that the song has actually been added, and play that from the digital memorial. And of course, when you create these, you will get an email that tells you about your account, how you can manage, how you log in, the URL, and your password. Well, thank you very much for listening to this video about Dodds LegacE Link's digital memorials. We hope that you and your family and your loved ones enjoy